The Boreless King. Kisa man ni siya.
Hi guys, this is Chris Thompson. Welcome back to my channel.
Guys, this is Dobson. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tour you around the Golden Gate Park of San Francisco. So, let's take a look. So guys, that's the Ferris wheel in the center of the Golden Gate Park. So that Ferris wheel is there all year round. So people will enjoy. So this building is the California Academy of Sciences. So lahat ng mga experiments or lahat ng mga tungkol sa science nandyan sa loob. So that's gonna be another vlog, guys. So we'll go there in another video. Ang ganda dyan sa loob. So there, if you want a coffee, that's their coffee shop. So that's the big bus of San Francisco. It's a tourist bus. Kung like pagpunta nyo sa San Francisco, sasakay kayo dyan, tsaka dadalhin nila kayo kung saan saan. So that's Robert Emmet. His Irish patriot, and pinatay siya sa Dublin at the age of 25. Ito yung kabuuan ng park. No, not kabuuan. Hindi pa tayo nakatunga. We will go around. Guys, while walking around, I would like to say thank you to Dorothy Joy Daya for being the first member of Kois Dubs community in YouTube. Ate, salamat so much. She's from Singapore, guys, and she supports my community in YouTube. Thank you so much, Ate, and she's my first member. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Look at them, guys. They are touring. Mga turista yan sila with that, I don't know kung sa pangalan ana. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan diyan. So, yan yung tour guide nila. And I think these group are coming from Europe, and then tinutour sila dito using that thing. Sugot mo guys, mo na inyong mabana guys. Dato man kay mo. Ina na iyang lawas, ina na iyang naong. Pero iyang lawas ka na. Sugot mo. Pero dato kay ka. Napay usa oh. Oh. Kato imong mabana. Then kani siya mo na imong hangkuan. Imong sulugoon. This is a relaxing park, guys. It's very, very nice. Arita diri agibi. Mangita tag mga unsa-unsa. Hantod makakita gitag ungo diri. So guys, look at the water lily. It's so nice. Woo! Look at that. Napail sa guys. Kisa ka ni. Wako kailaan ni. Pero naman ingan sa ubos. Siya si Peter Coffin. Pirate. Untitled Pirate. Untitled Pirate. Ay, kaya baon ako. Ay, gaagaw ni Magellan. Ito ko. Tara. So guys, musulod na ta sa ilahang mga forest thing. And naay gaasu guys. Tanaw na to unsa nang gaasu. Steam. Ay! Dili na steam. Oy, pastilan tubig ka na. Sprinkle. Pagka-ignorante yun ako. So, it's sprinkle mo na. Mubo na siya sa tanong day, guys. So, para siyang, para siyang usok. Pero hindi siya usok, guys. It's a water. It's water coming from there. Para mag-sprinkle sa mga halaman. It's very nice. Kinagi gabilangkad. May gani na nabil og dahon. Kay pertigid niyang pabilangkad. Si Arthur Putnam. He was born in 1873 to 1930. Ang baw lang. This is the Young Museum, guys. So this is gonna be another vlog because I don't want to do it at the same time. Para na excitement. We're gonna go there someday soon. So guys, this park is so big. And then hindi tayo makaka-go around ng isang buong araw. Well, isang buong araw pwede siguro, but I still have to go. I mean, to go somewhere. But I'm not gonna say goodbye yet. Napapakita lang ako sa inyo na nandito pa rin ako. I will tour you around still. We will go to a stage na parang it's a Roman-inspired stage. Papakita ko sa iyo. Oh, good. Di good siya na uwaw, guys. Good. Wag yun na uwaw. Pero di good na yan, burles. The Burlesque King. Kinsa man ni siya. Wala may ngan. Kaya na uwaw siguro. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na it's a Roman-inspired stage. So dito sila mag-show. Mga tao dito. May magka-concert dito at night. Kung ano-anong palabas na nandito. It's parang mga live shows. So dito yon. Dito nila ginagawa. Maganda ito sa gabi guys. Upuan. Pupunta ka dito, manonood ka ng mga show. Ito yung mga upuan nila. Ayan. So that's the stage. Very nice. So guys, I heard people walking around speaking French. So daghan ang mga French na rin na mga bisita. That's Beethoven right over there. It's gonna take a closer look. If you know Beethoven, the greatest musician, that's him. So this statue was donated by the Italy to San Francisco. Man, ang ganda guys. They call it verde. So a little history. So this park pala guys was they called it Little Italy before. Kaya pala maraming mga Italian structure or mga Italian kung ano-anong mga statue kasi before na hindi pa ito park, they called it Little Italy. So guys, if you come here, pwede mo abang ani mga bike. You can rent a bike when you come here to see the whole park, and it's really enjoy like biking in the park. So tanawa ang bike, look at the bike. So pwede na ninyo abangan guys kung maaari mo. It's very nice. I think this is it guys, and thank you so much for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click subscribe down below and don't forget to share, like, and comment. Bye!